Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to create an Apple ID. To do this, click on Apple account, click on I don't have an Apple account, and now type your name and select date of birth. Tap on continue and now enter your email address. And now tap on continue and now create a strong password. Tap on continue and now select your country and now type your number. Tap on continue and verify your phone number or tap on did not receive a code. Tap on verify later and tap on continue. Tap on agree and now verify your email and complete your Apple ID. Thank you.